Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites so your time isn't wasted. Open Device Manager and update or reinstall the camera driver. A bad driver prevents Windows Hello from working. Once done, make sure Windows 11 is at least build 22,000 and that your PC supports Windows Hello Face hardware. Next, set a PIN under Settings Account Sign-in Options. Windows requires a PIN as a fallback. This establishes the secure basis for face recognition to register reliably. Now you remove corrupted data and re-enroll. Go to Sign-in Options and delete any existing facial recognition profiles. Corrupted profiles often cause failures. Then run the hardware and device's troubleshooter or a camera diagnostic to verify the sensor outputs a clear image. When you re-enroll your face, do it in consistent indoor lighting with a neutral background and hold the camera at eye level. Multiple angles during setup improve recognition resilience. Make sure you complete the full enrollment procedure without interruptions. Finish by confirming settings and running final checks. Enable Require Windows Hello Sign-in for Microsoft accounts if you want consistent behavior, then test signing in from the lock screen several times to confirm reliability. Make sure camera access is allowed in privacy settings and that Windows biometric service is running. If issues persist, create a new local user profile to isolate account corruption or check Event Viewer for biometric errors. These steps identify whether the problem is system-wide or profile-specific and guide your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.